Hi guys, welcome back to my channel, Edmund Mindaros, and for today's quick tutorial, and I'm going to show you guys on how to resolve the Microsoft Store error code 0x80D02017 that you are experiencing on your Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer, where the error message show something unexpected happened. Reporting this problem will help us understand it better. You can wait a bit and try again or restart your device. That may help. Kung paano ba natin ito i-fix? So, ang next step ay dito lang sa searching bar ng ating computer. Ay search mo lang dito yung CMD or ito yung tinatawag na command prompt. And then, kailangan mo lang dito mag-right click. And then, select mo lang dito yung run as administrator. Okay, so dito sa administrator command prompt, ay kailangan lang natin i-enter yung command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. Ayan. So, type mo to. Command keyword na ipconfig space //DNS. Yung slash and / DNS ay one word po yan. And then next ay press mo lang yung enter. And then makikita mo dito na successfully flushed the DNS resolver cache. And the next command keyword na kailangan lang natin i-enter ay kailangan mo lang i-type itong nest space wensak space reset. Ayan. So, kailangan mo lang i-type itong nest NETSH space wensak space reset and then press mo lang yung enter. Ayan. So, makita mo dito na successfully reset the wensak catalog. So, you must restart the computer in order to complete the reset. Okay, so close lang natin dito. And then, kailangan lang natin mag-restart. So, click mo lang tong start menu and then click mo lang tong restart para ma-fix yung problem. Okay, so ganun lang po kasimple kung paano natin i-fix ang Microsoft Store error code 0x80D02017 in Windows 11 or Windows 10 computer. Okay, so please don't forget to like this video, subscribe to my channel for more quality content. Thank you guys and see you in my next tutorial.